how to make sure na yung pag-recharge nyo or pag-papa-VIP ay successful. Okay, after nyo na-submit yung transaction, just go to my, then punta kayo sa recharge records. Again, recharge records. Okay, dapat may nakalagay dito yung transaction niyo. Halimbawa, 700 or 800, dapat may nakalagay dyan na digit. Okay? Bakit siya nakalagay sa unpaid? It's because i-validate pa yan siya before siya malalagay sa paid, just like this. Okay? Example, nag-submit kayo tapos pagpunta sa recharge, walang nakalagay, meaning hindi nyo siya na-submit successfully. You just have to submit it again, to upload it again para mailagay dito. Once mailagay dito, okay, meaning for waiting ka na. Waiting na mag-reflect yung nilagay mo na pera. Okay? Okay, very good. And now, look.